Our little Amadeus wants to go on the zip line and go. These are all the little rope walk things off Go Ape. Looks really interesting. It's proper bossing this Delamere forest. It's so fresh this morning as well. The sky's bright blue, sun's blazing. It's beautiful. I'm just going into these little wild bits so I can see how dry the lakes become. Look at that. Jeez. Look at all them tree stumps and that. I need to get out there and have a good look at that somehow. Should have brought me drone. Look at that. Mad. Mad.
Cool like that.
Jeez, we found Bigfoot's house anyway.
That's not Bigfoot's, that's mine.
What's that in it? Oh la la. It's gorgeous in here. Jeez, I've never seen this Delamere lake so dry. Luckily we're going into autumn now, so it'll fill back up again soon.
Big lake.
Look at that. Pure dry. Well, not pure dry, but it's not far off. Look at all them tree stumps, that amazing. There's actually thousands of birds in here though. They're all hiding around there. Pure geese. Beautiful. Me and Amadeus have just been admiring all these pink flowers that are growing in the pond. So we snavelled ourselves a little sample and we're going to put it in our pond on the allotment, and hopefully next year we'll have some of these nice purple flowers growing around the edges. Our little tours are not over in Delamere. We're still mooching around, but I'm going live on TikTok now. So I hope you enjoyed watching anyway. See you soon.